chocolate.
There's gloves in this bag.
In there.
Someone give you gloves?
No.
Get those candies up.
We already had them.
Oh.
With chocolate. Here's chocolate.
Can you find all the chocolates? Chocolates in there, Jack.
On the chocolate head, here's a slab.
Oh boy, put it in there.
Is this candy? What is this? No.
Candy.
Candy.
More Play-Doh.
Lollipop. More Play-Doh? Yeah, more Play-Doh. What is this, Mommy? What is this? Marshmallow mushroom. Can we have this mushroom?
No,
What?
you've had enough.
Mushroom.
Mushrooms?
Yeah,
What
what's
are you eating
this?
mushrooms? It's
Lollipop.
called a Fizz Whiz. It's a
What
hard
is
candy
this?
with fizzy stuff inside.
Where's chocolate? Where's chocolate?
Come on, put all the chocolate in.
This is chocolate.
Put the chocolate in.
This is chocolate.
Apparently nobody comes out when it's raining.
So we got all their candy.
Say happy Halloween, Jack.
Happy Halloween.
Say happy Halloween, dude.
These are too much candy.
Too much candy. Now we
Too much.